Welcome to Elephant Nature Park, where 34 elephants have found refuge in a place 60 kilometres north of Chiang Mai, and where I've been lucky enough to volunteer for a week.
I'm not supposed to, doesn't it? She's my favorite. Beautiful, isn't she? She's gorgeous. She's very old. She's like 65 years old. So she's all grandma. And this is her best friend here. And she's so well behaved. She doesn't need to be behind a barrier when she eats like all the other ones.
Many of the elephants here were mistreated. Some were rescued from street begging in the cities. Others were landmine victims. All have now found sanctuary at the park.
So, I've got two elephants with me now, both hungry. So these guys are best friends, and all the elephants here form separate herds. So this gorgeous lady here, unfortunately her back hip's broken, she's a little bit crippled. And this lovely lady here, she's actually blind, and they actually work together. So you've got the blind leading the crippled, and the crippled leading the blind. It's quite cute. But they're the best of friends, and they love.
Not all the elephants in the park have had such a horrible life, and that's thanks to Lek, an award-winning conservationist. Driven by a determination to create an environment where elephants are free from exploitation, Lek built the sanctuary up over many years, and with the help of many volunteers. So what is life actually like as a volunteer? Well, the view from the accommodations isn't that bad, and jobs vary from cleaning up the site to preparing food for the elephants, mud baths, and other activities. However, without a doubt, everyone's favourite job is bath time.
Okay, so we've just had bath time, and these two sneaky little devils have gone across the river to have a little mid-bath snack and escape the bucket water. But what's really lovely is you actually get to see the elephants doing their own thing, doing what's natural to them, and it's really sweet to see this in the last day.
And is it tasty?
This is quite restrained actually.
Yeah.
Delicious. This is the problem, it's all delicious.
And the best thing about being a volunteer, not only is it for a good cause, it's also a lot of fun.
The shake is